Good morning, dear children. Welcome in your English class. Today we are going to revise our chapter 1 of grammar, the alphabet. Dear children, you all know very well that we have 26 letters in our English family. 26 लेटर्स होते हैं हमारे इंग्लिश फैमिली में दैट वी स्टार्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग. जब हम पहली बार स्कूल में आते हैं हम सबसे पहले अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखने ही सीखते हैं A to Z, and these are total 26 alphabets. You can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and these all are arranged in a series. इनकी एक सीरीज़ होती है, इसी फॉर्म में हम इनको लर्न भी करते हैं. Like A comes at number 1, B at number 2, C at number 3, so and so and so. Like this, there are total 26 letters in our alphabet family. We write these letters in capital and small. है ना, आप लोगों ने दोनों तरीके से लिखना सीखा है इन लेटर्स को, कैपिटल फॉर्म में भी और स्मॉल में भी. एंड दीज डेज वी आर लर्निंग टू राइट दीज लेटर्स इन कर्सिव फॉर्म ऑल्सो. Dear children, there are some rules that we need to follow. First of all, we always write the first letter of our name and surname in capital letter. Suppose I am Shweta Rawal. So what will I do? I told you I will write S of Shweta and R of Rawal in capital letters. You can see this example also. See beta, this spelling Shivanki Gupta. So we can see S is capital and G is also capital. Suppose I have to write my name, so what I will do? I will write S capital, then all small. Rawal ka R bhi I will make capital. Is it clear? Now let's move. So dear children, as I told you that these letters are arranged in a series from 1 to 26. Suppose I gave you this letter in jumble form D, F, B, G, A, and you have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order. So what will you do? You will see that A comes at number 1. You will write down A at number 1. Then B at number 2, then C is not here, we will see D at number 4, E is not there, F at number 6, and then G at number 7. So I have put the number according to their alphabetical order. You know this thing very well. Now I come to tell you about 5 special letters of alphabet family. I told you that there are total 26 letters. मैंने आपको बताया total 26 letters होते हैं जिसमें हमारे 5 special letters होते हैं and those 5 special letters are called vowels. और वो 5 special letters कौन से हैं हमारे? A, E, I, O and U. These are all vowels. जो आपके हिंदी के स्वर हैं वो आपके इंग्लिश के vowels हैं. आपको हिंदी की क्लास में भी मैंने आपको बताया था. और इनका साउंड क्या है? A sounds ए, E sounds ए, I sounds ई, O sounds O, U sounds अ, A sounds ए, E sounds ए, I sounds E, O sounds O and U sounds A. इनकी ये आवाज़ होती है. तो we and other 21 letters are called consonants जिनकी अलग अलग sounds हैं like B, ba, C, ka, D, da, F, fa. So these 21 letters are called consonants. Now I am going to tell you some words of vowel words. So let's take vowel word A. Cat, mat. I told you the sound of A is A. Cat, mat. Sound of E is E, pet, bell. Sound of I is E, bin, pin. Sound of O is O, box, hop. And sound of U is A. Beta U bola U jata hai, but the sound of U is A, sun, tub. So dear children, now what you will do? You will write or you will tell to your parents 5 words of vowel words, 1 word of each vowel, A, E, I, O, U. That's all for today. We have done a quick revision of our chapter, the alphabets. Bye bye. Take care. Stay indoors. Stay safe.